Do you know the big things that are happening right now? In small projects in crypto, there is big momentum building. I'm going to show you how that is happening. After this disclaimer,
I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only.
let's get straight in. The first thing I want us to see, guys, is at bitcoinmining.com. Links will be down below. Now, due to the unfavorable conditions in the cryptocurrency market, we all know what's going on. Crypto is dropping hard. All right, the market is becoming like a dropping center. Everything is going down, down, down. Just when we think we're getting in and we're going to get back up, it's going down. Now, you can read all about mining here, but what I want to say is the big companies like Argo, Blockchain, and Core Scientific, they're actually battling to survive right now. So if you're in the mining game or you're thinking about getting in the mining game, now is not the time to do it. Okay, crypto is crashing. That's a fact. Over here at marketwatch.com, looking at the links down below as well. Okay, we're talking about GameStop NFT marketplace. So not only is Bitcoin, crypto, things like going down, everything connected is going down. Crypto affects all NFTs, of course, because they're bought through crypto. Don't know what an NFT is, please go and learn what it is. But GameStop's non-fungible token marketplace is officially live on the blockchain platform on MutableX, all right? The official loan will allow marketplace users to access free games currently built on a MutableX. But you can see here, crypto is affecting everything to go down. But you can see at GameStop, you can see on this chart, they have powered through and kept around the $26 mark. That to me means, if anything, if you're going to invest in anything right now in crypto, this is a definite winner, okay? Because they have not dropped since everything else going down. All right, really, really good. I'm super excited about this. Get involved in GameStop Corp straight away. All right, but be careful with the mining of crypto. So I just wanted to throw them 2 points out to you, okay? If you are a miner and you're struggling right now, just be careful in the markets. And if you want to get into something, then GameStop NFT marketplace is definitely a strong contender for what to get into right now. Now, Bitcoin is down 70 in 2022. Mining business have to deal with a drastic reduction in their main source of income, okay? It is what it is. The market's going down and it's a struggle. We're all part of the struggle. I've got a big crypto wallet that was a lot bigger when crypto was on its earth. That's how it works. The layer 2 scaling product can actually factuate 100% gas fees and carbon neutral minting on trading on the GameStop NFT marketplace, which means if you're going to get into something, like I've said multiple times this video, this could be the one that you need to get into because it's actually sitting stable and it's doing very well. All right, so hit that like button, guys. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell if you want to be notified. I've had a very good time doing this, and let us know in the comments if you enjoyed it. I will see you next time.